Good morning, everyone, and happy Monday. It is Julie here with your TipRanks pre-market morning update, where we're bringing you everything you need to know before the market opens. So let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome back. Thank you all so much for being here. This morning we'll be taking a look at exciting stock market news, notable earnings reports, and which big names are coming up this week, and we'll see which stocks are the biggest gainers and losers. Don't forget to download the TipRanks mobile app if you haven't done so already, so you can stay up to date with all of the latest market news and access your favorite research tools on the go. Links will be in the description down below. Now let's get right into this morning's exciting stock market news. We are starting the week off with U.S. stock futures in the green. Currently, Dow futures are up 0.73%, S&P 500 futures up 0.72%, and NASDAQ futures up 0.52%. Chinese stocks are falling in the pre-market this morning after President Xi was reinstated for a historical third 5-year term and made a speech saying they would be focusing on political ideology. President Xi has also packed the party's top ranks with loyalists, which will help cement his power. Investors are worried that this means a continuation of the zero COVID policies that have hampered economic activity this year. He said that now we are taking confident strides on a new journey to turn China into a modern socialist country in all respects, to advance the second centenary goal, and to embrace the great rejuvenation of the Chinese nation on all fronts for a Chinese path to modernization. Tesla has cut the prices on their Model 3 and Model Y in China by up to 9%. For their third quarter, Tesla vehicle deliveries did miss analyst expectations. This price cut comes after Chief Executive Elon Musk said last week that a recession of sorts was underway in China and Europe and that they would be missing their vehicle delivery target. Tesla also told Reuters that it was adjusting prices in line with costs. Analysts currently rate the Tesla stock a moderate buy with an average upside of 42%. Schlumberger has rebranded themselves to SLB with a focus on clean technology. They said the name change affirms their transformation from the world's largest oilfield services company to a global technology company focused on driving energy innovation for a balanced planet. They've spent 3 years laying the groundwork for their increasing focus on low and zero carbon energy technology solutions while continuing to drive innovation, decarbonization, and performance for the oil and gas industry. Analysts currently rate the Schlumberger stock a unanimous strong buy with an average upside of 5%. Shares of Myovant Sciences are on the rise after it was announced that Japan's Sumitomo Biopharma would be acquiring the remaining 48% stake in the company for $1.7 billion. The company will be purchasing the remaining shares at $27 per share. They said by making Myovant a wholly owned subsidiary of Sumitomo, we believe that we'll be able to accelerate implementation of management strategies that will make full use of cash flow generated by Orgovyx and Myfembree for sustained growth of their pharma group. Analysts do rate the Myovant stock a strong buy, but with a price target of under $20, they've already surpassed this. And Royal Philips' newly appointed CEO is starting off his new role by cutting 4,000 jobs. This is part of an effort to save costs as they had to recall one of their medical devices. He issued the news along with the company's Q3 reports, saying that my immediate priority is therefore to improve execution so that we can start rebuilding the trust of patients, consumers, and customers. Which is a great segue over to notable earnings reports. Philips did report mixed earnings for their Q3, but also had soft guidance for the next quarter. For their Q3, they reported earnings per share of 25 euro cents, which was 16 euro cents ahead of expectations. Their revenue came in at 4.3 billion euros, which was up over 3% year over year, but 60 million euros shy of analyst expectations. Looking ahead, the company sees prolonged operational and supply challenges, a worsening macroeconomic environment, and continued uncertainty related to COVID-19 in China. Analysts currently rate their stock a hold with an average upside of 30%. And in the pre-market this morning, we heard from Bank of Hawaii that missed analyst expectations on earnings and revenue. For their Q3, their earnings per share came in at $1.28, missing estimates by 10 cents per share. Revenue came in at $172.3 million, which was up just over 2% year over year, but missed by nearly $11 million. Analysts currently rate their stock a moderate buy with an average upside of 9%. Looking at the week ahead, we have some big names reporting. On Tuesday, we have Google, Microsoft, Coca-Cola, and Visa. On Wednesday, we have Boeing and Meta Platforms. Thursday, we have Amazon, Apple, MasterCard, and McDonald's. And we end the week off with Chevron and ExxonMobil on Friday. Now let's take a look at which stocks are this morning's biggest gainers and losers. Our biggest gainers this morning are led by Axis Financial, though I wasn't able to see any news besides some upcoming earnings later this week. Trading under the ticker AX, the stock is currently up over 9.3%. They're followed by Pearson under PSO, up 8.6%, and Myovant Sciences under MYOV, up 8.44%. Not a big surprise that our list of biggest losers this morning is filled with Chinese stocks, led by Canjun. Their stock trades under the ticker BZ and is currently down nearly 17%. They're followed by Bilibili under BILI, down 16.65%, and GDS Holdings under GDS, down 16.5%. So that is going to be everything for Monday's pre-market morning update, getting you up to speed with what you need to know before that opening bell. If you made it to the end of today's video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, say good morning in the comments down below, and make sure you have that TipRanks mobile app downloaded. Thank you guys for watching, have a great day, and I'll see you back here next time.